Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a basic block in AutoCAD and how to do some modifications with this block. If you want to do a block from window or door, it's very easy. Type block and you have a window. You can do in another way instead of memorizing all these commands. Insert, create a block. The same. Next step, to create a name for the block. Let's think door. Next step, pick the point. You can specify on the screen if you want, but if you have a large file, it's very easy just to click on the icon pick point and select the end of the block, end corner of the block. For the door, it would be useful the end of the frame. What you should do next is select the object. Left click, select object, right click. In this small icon, as you see, we can see lines of the door which we selected previously. You can retain, convert to the block, or delete. On the settings, you can select the system metric or imperial, millimeters or inches. It depends from the file which you're working on. Allow to explode it. I would recommend you to leave like that because AutoCAD will allow you to explode the file in the future if you want. This icon is for annotated block, which I will describe you in the next video. I would suggest you to leave some comments in the descriptions. It would be easier for you to recognize the blocks, because sometimes you would have hundreds of doors or windows, and sometimes you will use temporary blocks. It would be easier for you to find this block. Interior doors. Okay. As you see, we created the block. When you select just a small angle, it selected whole block. How to check if we created the block? Select the object, right click, properties, block reference. Another options, select object, Ctrl 1, block reference. Let's imagine that we want to do some modification with the block. Maybe change the color of this door or frames, or put some lines on the different layers. It's very easy to do. How to modify the block? First of all, double click. As you see in this window, we can see the block which we created, and sometimes you would have a lot of different blocks. Just type the first door and AutoCAD will recognize this block. Okay. Let's put this on the green. When we did all the modifications which we wanted, close block editor. AutoCAD will ask you what you should do next. Save the changes which you did before, or leave or save objects in the previous version. Save the changes. As you see, the modifications which we did in the block was saved. And when we insert the block, insert, base point, it was updated automatically. Sometimes you need to do some modifications with the block. Sometimes you need to explode this and create a new one. How you can do that? Select object, explode, or you can type on this icon or type explode. As you see, block was exploded. How to check this? Select Objects, Ctrl 1, or right click and Properties, and we can see all lines, arcs and polylines. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in another lessons, I will post soon. In the next video, I will teach you how to create a temporary blocks, which is very useful, especially if you're working with large files. Also, I will teach you how to do a basic floor plan from the image and how to do a basic furniture layout by using a block system. If you like this video, press like and subscribe my channel. I would be glad if you give some comments and some thoughts. Thank you. Bye.